Hey man, this is what money do for you. Real talk, nigga. When you own a $1.8 million yacht and you out here like this is what money do for you. Tell them, bro. Huh? I'm talking about you out here, man, amongst people, man. This that real shit. Hey, bro. This that real shit, man. This ain't that regular bullshit, man. You know what I'm talking about? Take niggas 20 years to get yachts, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? Nigga, we did that shit 3 years, nigga. I said we, cause this is a team effort. Nigga, we on our way over there with all the people at Crab Island, man. The boy Wanza the Don, YouTube King, man. We out here, man. Swallow back, man. Look at this shit. This shit is crazy, man. Look, man. Look at this shit. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Look, boats everywhere, man. Look at this shit, man. Everywhere. It's crazy. Come on, man. Shit is crazy. It's crazier than that, man. Look at this shit. This shit, man. I know you hear the wind and all that, but you gotta withstand that. This shit crazy, man. Know what I'm talking about? I mean, this is that real $1 million shit, man. Look at the man. Look, man. This is for real. This serious out here.
Camera on deck.
Cameras on deck, man. Oh, look. Boats everywhere. Hey. You heard me. Duger and flip. Is he gonna flip? Flip! Flip! He faking. Come on, man. This is how you get it in, man. We on a $2 million yacht, man. 1.8 million, same thing. Come on, man. This is crazy. This is stupid out here, man. It's ignorant out here, bro. You heard me.